Top 10 friendliest breed of cats. 1. Ragdoll, common, loves human interaction. 2. Maine Coon, gentle giants, sociable and affectionate. 3. Scottish Fold, cute with folded ears, laid back and loves attention. 4. Siamese, vocal and outgoing, forms strong bonds. 5. Burmese, affectionate, craves human attention and play. 6. Burman, beautiful and gentle, loves being part of the family. 7. American Shorthair, adaptable, friendly, and sociable. 8. Exotic Shorthair, loving, enjoys attention, plush coat. 9. British Shorthair, easygoing, friendly, loves affection. 10. Sphinx, unique appearance, affectionate, enjoys human interaction. Subscribe for more.